Good afternoon. This is a SATC Falcom, that's of the Furuno type. So today we will try and complete a PV test. So the PV test is a test to find out if the SATC is working properly or not. So I'll be pressing F7. Once I test F7, the test will come up. Let's go down and press enter. PV test. I'll just start the PV test. Again it is the enter and start. So once the PV test is starting, there are a lot of things that change. You see, it has changed to MES signal channel. MES signal channel is mobile earth station signal channel. Again it has changed and synced with NCS. NCS is network coordination station. So the test setup is being carried out. Once the test setup starts, test call is pending. All these messages are normal, so no need to worry about this. The best thing you need to know about operating a SATC is the sync should always be on. Once an unsync comes, that means something is wrong. So they have sent a message and the test call is getting received. See, it is going back to retuning. Before it was NCS sync. Now it will be mobile earth station signal channel. It has changed from NCS to MES. Again it is going to LES. LES is land earth station. So all the three have been going on together. It has synced with LES and we will wait for the testing call to come up. It will be coming up shortly. Waiting for the message. Do remember, during this time SATC is on a test mode, normal operations won't be happening. Also, only you should press the distress button unless you are in distress. Those are the one here, and the second one is this one. So I am waiting for the message to come back. The operation of a normal PV test, yeah, it has come back. It has gone to MES signal channel, then it is retuning again. It gets carried out nearly in around 5 or 6 minutes. So that's how long a PV test will normally take place. And it's gone to LES. It has synced with LES and we have successfully received the message. Now once you wait for a few more moments, we will be getting the PV test result. It's synced with the LES, going back to MES mobile earth station. Now they will be carrying out the distress check also. So again back to LES synchronized. Do remember to take a printout of this and store it for the future use. All this has to be recorded in the GMDSS radio logbook. I'll be making a video about the GMDSS radio logbook and I'll show you what and where you have to file all this. Remember, this has to be carried out at least once a month. Okay, we have gone back to MES message channel, retuning. Shortly we will be testing the distress. It will be automatically tested. So again sync to LES. You should keep watching what is happening here because this is what tells you what is going on with the SATC. Unless we have an idea what is going on here, there is no way we will find out if the SATC is working correctly or not. So again back to LES. Okay, we have received the second printout. Again, it's going to mobile earth station signal channel testing. It's testing the distress alert, you can see. So once the distress alert is tested, we'll be getting back another message. Still synced with the LES. So it has shifted from MES to LES. So distress acknowledgement has been received. That means that they have tested the distress also. So we will just have to escape it, and I'll switch off the alarm. So we are waiting for the PV test result. PV test result will come up shortly. Remember, you have to take a printout and keep it along with the GMDSS radio logbook. It has to be pasted in the GMDSS radio logbook. You shouldn't maintain a separate file. So it has again changed to MES signal channel. Going back to LES. They are clearing the PV test. After that, PV test is completed and a printout is coming out. So this is how the PV test result gets printed out. Thank you.